name's Jamie Sykes and I work as part of Nottingham Music Service doing the Band Factory. I'm going to be walking you through a series of instructional videos to keep you drummers occupied during your time in lockdown. I hope some of these are really useful for you. These are the practices that I use myself in order to develop my own playing. I'm going to start with quite a simple one for you. And what we do is we start with singles with each hand, just right, then left, then doubles, 1, 2, 1, 2, then 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to go all the way up to 5 with each hand and then back down again. So we'll start off really slowly, so right, left, right, left, left, right, 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 left, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then back down, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. And once we've got comfortable with that, start speeding it up, but we never want to tense up in our hands or our wrists. So only go at a speed which feels comfortable to you. You can do this to a metronome and keep on turning up the metronome by maybe 5 or 10 BPM each time. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. Now we're going to be looking at one of my favourite rudiments, which is the paradiddle, and then I'm going to show you how we can apply it to kit. So, paradiddle is relatively simple, just right, left, right, left, left. So 2 singles and a double, and then 2 singles and a double. If you're left hand lead, well, I'd recommend practicing it both ways. So starting with your right hand, right, left, left, and also starting with your left hand, left, right, left, right. So let's just give that a go. Right, left, right, left, right, left. And this is really worth practicing. You can get this to some really good speeds. I'm going to speed up a little bit. Right, left, left, paradiddle, 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 paradiddle. So we can get some really good speeds, and also I can actually use this directly on the drum kit. So I could put that right hand on my hi-hat, left hand on my snare drum, and let's just try and make that into a beat. So right, right. I'm going to put my bass drum at the start. Speed it up. This is a really useful pattern. And now we're going to be looking at one of my favourite rudiments. This is the double paradiddle, which is right, left, right, left, left, or 1, 2, 3, 4, double, 1, 2, 3, 4, double. Again, if you're left-handed, you might want to take left-hand lead. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Let's give that a go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, double, 1, 2, 3, 4, double. Bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, double, 1, 2, 3, 4, double. Again, we don't want to tense up at all. We want this to be a complete state of flow. So our hands are really relaxed. 1, 2, 3, 4, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, left, double, paradiddle, double, paradiddle. I'm going to speed it up. Double, paradiddle, double, Again, these all have direct application on the kit. So say I was to put my right hand on either the rim of the snare or a cymbal, I'll do it on the rim, and my left hand on the hi-hat, right, left, left. When I get to my left, left, I can bring that first one down onto my snare, and I've got the start of the beat. Right, left,